Hello, and welcome to today's video. I am Caitlin Porter, and in today's video, I am going to give you a high-level overview on how to install and run a Mongoose-based marketplace application into your Mongoose PaaS environment. In Part 1, I will demonstrate how to download an application from Marketplace. In Part 2, I will show you how to install your Marketplace download into your Mongoose PaaS environment. In Part 3, we will learn how to create an OS portal application that points to our new OS report wizard. Lastly, in Part 4, we will take a look at how to access our newly created application. Let's first take a look at how I can access and download an application from the Infor Marketplace. To access Infor Marketplace, go to marketplace.infor.com. From there, I can browse a list of applications available on Marketplace. I am going to select the Browse menu and filter by technology platform and then integrations. From there, I am going to find the application titled OS Reporting and click on it. In the Details page, I can see the application details as well as additional screenshots, videos, and resources on the application. To download the application, click the Download Now button. I am going to provide my email address, and then it will ask me to sign into my Infor Concierge account. Once I have successfully logged into my concierge account, I can click the Continue button. Once I select the Agree to Terms of Service checkbox, I can then click the Place Order button. That will transfer the purchase to the My Apps page. I will click on the My Apps button and click on the OS reporting application to download the zip file. Now that the download has completed, I will show you how you can install it into your Mongoose PaaS environment. Using my browser, I am going to log into the tenant that I want to install it in. From the OS landing page, I will click Mongoose and will select the configuration I want to use. Then I will select Form, Open, and search for the deployment form. Once the deployment form has loaded, I will locate the Deploy Applet section at the bottom and click the Import button. I will select the zip file that was downloaded from Marketplace. Once the file has been loaded, I will see the label now says File Loaded. I will then click the Execute Scripts button to import the files. Once complete, I can use the View Log button to verify that the import completed successfully. Now that my application from the Marketplace has been successfully installed, let's take a look at how to create an application within OS Portal that links directly to this wizard. Click Portal from the top menu bar and click the Add Application button. For application type, I am going to select Non-Infor and will give the application a name. Then I will paste in my URL. This URL will be unique to each environment. Instructions on how to generate this link can be found in the knowledge base article linked below. After adding in the URL, we have the ability to choose the application icon and icon color. Once that has been selected, I'm going to leave the rest of the defaults and click Save to create the application. Now that the application has been created, we can access it from the navigation menu in the top left corner, where it will be located under the Application section. If we click on the application, it will now launch our newly installed form as its own custom application within the OS portal. This concludes today's video. I hope that this demonstration helped showcase the simplicity of leveraging the Infor Marketplace to support your Mongoose development endeavors. Thanks for tuning in.